So I took this video. I should probably change my shirt to a different color. I've always got the same shirt when I make this video. The video I uploaded yesterday was actually shot a week ago, so I wanted to make a quick update to my hair situation. I took it once with this pocket camera, action camera, but it was not enough detail. Even though it was 8K, it didn't look right. So I'm taking it with my mirrorless, my Sony. The Luna, the new love of my life, the Luna Insta360 Luna Ultra is getting fixed. I guess the controller was having problems, so it's going to be a few more days before I can get that back. All right, let's jump right into it. Oh, yesterday, so this is the first week that I did 2 applications in a week. Last night I had a friend of mine do it, and it was a lot better situation. As you know, you guys have seen me trying to do it, looking at an iPad or trying to check out the screen and do it. It's really difficult. Having somebody to do it for you is just amazing, much better. But besides that, really, I really think I'm balding more than ever before. So I don't think I have more stress than usual. And me and some of the other viewers were thinking, yeah, it looks like it's filling in, and there was a little bit of hope, but I don't know, man. Let's take a look. Okay, so breaking out the iPad again. Here we go. All right, so here is, look at that, man. That's not looking good, is it? And I don't see any new hair growth. Let's see how close I can get. Can I get closer? There are some black dots there, aren't there? Okay, let me get a back shot here. And so, doing some acrobatics here. Oh, that's a good stretch. What if I change to manual focus? Okay, that should be enough for you guys for now. All right, well, we'll see how it goes. Oh, if you don't mind, please like and maybe comment, because that will tell YouTube to share the video with other people if you think it was valuable in any way. One more quick note. I noticed the other day on Instagram, I think it was, that Aplha Infuse is running a 90% sale again. The code is black. The coupon code is black. I will put a screenshot of it in this video so you can check it out. Anyway, yeah. All right. Thanks, guys.